Hi, we're back with another video, and in this video I'll be giving you some tips and knowledge of how to install the wooden floor. Let's go! Upon selecting the choice of my floor, it's very important for me to find out my suppliers, to know the thickness if it's suitable for my floor. Using the level machine, check the floor for bumps and also low spots. If you're replacing the old floor, probably your floor will be even. But if you're installing a new floor in a new house, you need to make sure that the surface is flat. Paving method should be taken into your consideration before you even start selecting the floor, such as the herringbone, fishbone, or the conventional spelling. Generally, the thickness of 1mm moisture-proof pad would be our first choice. There must be a seam in the wall which is leaving enough space for the thermal expansion and also construction, generally keeping at least 8mm to 12mm. Finally, my last but not least tip. Don't throw away the wooden packaging boxes that come in your wooden floor. These will help you prevent your floors from getting scratches when you're moving heavy boxes. Remember to click on the subscribe button to get more videos about wooden floor and building material. That's it for today. Bye-bye.